Disclaimer: this video is created for educational purpose. Before taking any investment, please consult with your financial advisor.
I am educating technicals through my membership. So if you are interested to join my membership, please click this join button. Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about a few indexes, and also with it I have added two indexes in this particular week video because I am feeling that those two indexes are having some kind of opportunity. So first we will start with the Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 we have discussed in the last week video. Clearly exactly at that particular time this candle is nearly formed, and also I mentioned that here we are having a resistance because previously this particular trend line was acting as a support and there was a breakdown. So because of that, that particular line can be acted as an important resistance. So it is exactly working so far now. Nearly for the past 5 days, that means on past weeks, it is clearly respected as a resistance. Now if it breaks this resistance, we can expect the second resistance at this particular trend line. Then if this trend line is broken, we can expect some kind of a good up move in Nifty. Otherwise, if it is falling from here, that means here it is clearly acting as a double top in the short term. The next point is this green candle low. If that green candle low is broken, again we can expect 22,000. Then if that 22,000 is broken, we can expect up to 21,700. That is the last hope. If 21,700 is closed below in a weekly candle, we can expect some kind of a severe fall in Nifty. That means like this kind of fall, we can expect same kind of fall after breaking 21,700 in the bottom side. I'm indicating this level nearly for the past 5 to 6 months. That level is reached right now, and we have to wait for that level to break for the downside. Similarly, if it breaks this trend line, we can expect the up move. The next one is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, it is clearly working. My previous analysis, I was expecting some kind of double bottom formation over here. It is nearly forming the same kind of formation, but if it is confirmed, if it breaks this this red candle high, that is 48,850, if that high is broken with the day closing, we can expect this swing high. And if that swing high is broken, we can expect up to this particular trend line. Okay, or else if it is breaking this doji low, this particular doji low, we can expect the fall up to the previously marked level, that is 46,500. The next one is next 50. Here we have marked one trend line formation from this peak, and I have just adjusted that level with this particular peak because after here we got some kind of a breakout, but it is not a clear green candle breakout. Here still this level is acting as a resistance line, so I have changed this particular peak with the second one, and I'm connecting with the second peak over here. This resistance trend line is perfectly working right now. If it is actually falling from here, that means if it is breaking this green candle low, we can expect up to this particular level. Then if that level is broken, we can expect up to this particular trend line support. Otherwise, if it is breaking this high, that is the second red candle high, 60,391 it is indicating, we can fix it as 60,500. If that high is broken, we can expect some kind of a trend line breakout, and also that we can expect some kind of a decent up move. The next one is Nifty 500. Here I have mentioned that we got a false breakdown, and also again the prices went inside this level, so we can expect some kind of a retesting up to this particular level. Then after retesting this level, we need a again breakout, that is this green candle high. If it is breaking this green candle high again, that is 20,550, we can expect some kind of a decent up move. But if it is breaking that level, we are having another one more resistance over here, so that that particular level, that is 20,550, and also this trend line is broken with upcoming days. That means either if it is a day closing, or else if it is a weekly closing, we can expect some kind of a decent up move. The next one is Sensex. So Sensex is actually respecting based on the Nifty move, so I am not going to explain again about the Sensex analysis. The next one is Nifty Midcap. So Nifty Midcap is actually moving in the sideways for some kind of a decent up move. Nifty Midcap needs to break this trend line, and also with that, if it is breaking this level, that is 10,390, we can expect another one more severe fall in Midcap. The next one is Nifty Small Cap. It is also moving in a sideways. I think it is going to form a inverted head and shoulder, but if it is forming inverted head and shoulder, it needs to break the level of 14,850. If it is breaking that level, we can expect up to this particular trend line. Then if this trend line is broken, then we can expect some kind of a decent up move up to this particular level. Otherwise, if it is breaking this previous swing low, we can expect the level of 12,000. The next one is Dow Jones. Not only our Indian indexes, even our American index is also clearly following my technicals. So nearly my first level is reached. I have marked this level as a first support. Nearly in between that, I marked the minor supports. From this peak, I have mentioned about this Dow Jones analysis, and nearly from 44,900 to it is made a low of 41,360. So it is nearly fallen 3,600 points after my analysis, and also my analysis is perfectly working over here. This trend line is right now acting as a support in the weekly candle basis. So we can expect the up move from here, but we are having a multiple resistance right now. That means recently this swing high can be acted as a resistance, then this swing high can be acted as a resistance, and the major resistance is exactly at 43,900. Otherwise, if it is breaking this red candle low in the upcoming days, we can expect another one more severe fall up to this particular support trend line. It is actually a major support trend line. So for checking this trend line starting point, we have to connect this trend line from the bottom of corona fall, that is March 2020. We have to connect with the second point over here. So this particular point is actually having some kind of a minor support. That means it is not exactly reached, but we can consider this one as a second point and this one as a third point. So if it is reaching this level for the fourth time, we can expect some kind of a decent support. Already in weekly chart, it is nearly forming some kind of a double top formation, and the neck point of the double top is actually broken based on the weekly candle, and also with that that particular level can be acted as a important resistance right now. It can be retest this level, that is 41,900 to 42,000. It can be retesting up to this particular level. Then if it is breaking this red candle low again, means we can expect a decent fall up to this particular support trend line. The next one is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is nearly fallen from the peak. I have analyzed this Nasdaq index exactly at the all-time high, and at that particular time I mentioned that it can fall up to this particular support trend line. It is nearly fallen, and also that this fall is actually some kind of a severe fall. That means from this peak, it is nearly fallen 13.6%. After that, first level I have marked is 21,000. Then I mentioned that if it breaks that level, we can expect up to this particular trend line. And if that level is broken, I was expecting up to 18,430. That level is broken, and also with that it is retested. So the recent analysis is that if it breaks this red candle low, we can expect 18,430 or 450. Then if that level is broken, we can expect up to 17,000. The next one is S&P 500. So S&P 500 is also, I have analyzed exactly at all-time high. From there it is keep on falling. Right now it is nearly fallen more than 10%. It is trying to take some kind of a double bottom formation, but the major support is available at 5,400 rupees. Then if it rupees $5,400, and if that low is broken, we can expect this particular low can be acted as a support, that is 5,200. Then if that level is broken, we can expect the important support at 5,000 to 4,970. The next one is gold. So gold is reached my multiple levels. I have marked the important level of $3,000 in dollars, and after giving some kind of a consolidation over here we got a recent breakout, and right now the nearly this is my fourth or fifth level, I'm not sure about this level is broken. Then the next level that is available at 92,850, so we can expect up to that particular level. Then in dollars, my level that is $3,000, that is what my second important resistance that I have marked when it was trading at $2,080. So I have analyzed gold exactly at this particular candle formation on 1st March 2024. At the time it was trading at $2,080. At that particular time I have marked a level of 2,280. Then I have marked a level of 2,725. Then the major important level that I have marked is $3,000. That is reached. Nearly it is given a return of nearly 50%. Right now there is no price action over here. If it breaks $3,000, we can expect the recent up move, but here we are not having any kind of price action, so I can't able to fix the next level of targets. The next one is silver. So silver, it is clearly closed above this level in the weekly candle in the last week itself. At the time I mentioned that we got a breakout, then we need the next move up to that means if it is breaking this green candle high in the intraday itself, we can expect up. So the intraday high of this previous candle is 98,324. From there we got a decent up move. Nearly from that breakout itself, we nearly got a return of 3.65%. My first level I have marked is 1 lakh rupees, that is reached, and also that is broken in the weekly candle itself. So next we can expect up to the level of 1,12,850. The next major important index I have added in this particular video is Nifty IT. So when it was trading at this particular swing high, that is nearly at 43,000 something, I have marked one important support, that is actually a demand zone in the day chart. That demand zone is actually at 36,000 to 36,300. That demand zone is reached, and also that I mentioned that this is the first level to focus Nifty IT. Then if it breaks that level, we are having the next level, that is at 33,400 to 31,800 or 900. So this is what the important level, but this level can be acted as important support itself. And right now the major resistance which is available at 38,960. If it is closing above this level, we can expect some kind of a decent up move. The next index that I have ordered in this particular video is Nifty Pharma. So Nifty Pharma nearly had some kind of a consolidation over here. After giving a breakout above this consolidation, there was a decent up move. After that, it is nearly formed a double top. So based on this double top, the technical level which is indicating as this particular low, that is 19,700 to 19,400, it is already taken a support at 19,700. So right now we need a trend line breakout. If it is breaking this trend line, we can expect some kind of a decent up move. But here the resistance which is available at 21,700 to 22,000, and if that 22,000 is broken, we can expect some kind of a decent up move up to this particular previous swing high. Then if that swing high is broken, we can expect some kind of a decent up move. Right now the major important support which is available at 19,400 to 19,300. Even though it is breaking that level, the major important support which is available at 18,300 to 18,400. So here I'm feeling that this is what the first important support. It is already taken a support. Right now we need a breakout above this trend line. So that's all about this today's video. Thank you for watching.